Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd. Okay, so until now we learned the short vowel sounds, that is called the harakat. Okay, the zabar, zair and the pesh. Those were single zabar, single zair and single pesh. Okay. Now in today's lesson we are going to learn about nunation. First you have to understand what is nunation. Okay, when you say nunation, that means there is a noun in it. Okay, that is why it is called nunation. Whereas in Arabic and Urdu, it is called tanween. Okay, you have to remember this term. It is called nunation in English, and in Urdu it is called tanween, and in Arabic also it is called tanween. What is a nunation and tanween? As you can see in the given image that there are two zabar. Till now we learned one zabar, one zair, one pesh. Now we are going to learn two zabar, two zair and two pesh. Okay. So how do we pronounce these two zabar, two zair and two pesh? When we say alif zabar, it is a. Okay. Alif zabar is a. But when you have alif two zabar, okay, you say alif two zabar, then it is an. You have to join the N sound with the A. Okay, so this is called the nunation. That with each letter you have to join the N sound. Okay, so it is alif two zabar an, ba two zabar ban. See, you can see that there is a alif joined with the ba. So just skip that alif. Okay, we don't read that alif. It is just written for grammatical purpose. Okay, so it is ba two zabar. When you say ba zabar, it is ba. Then ba two zabar is ba along with ban. Okay, ba two zabar ban. Ta two zabar tan. Sa two zabar san. Jim two zabar jan. Ha two zabar han. Mim two zabar man. Then you have mim to zair. When you say mim zair, it is mi. Then you have to join the sound. Mi, min. Okay, mim to zair, min. Mim to pesh, mun. Then you have ba to zabar, ban. Ba to zair, bin. Ba to pesh, bun. Waw to zabar, wan. Waw to zair, win. Waw to pesh, wun. Fa to zabar fun. Fa to zair fin. Fa to pesh fun. Sa to zabar sun. Sa to zair sin. Sa to pesh sun. Zal to zabar zan. There is a ya with the zal, but as you can see that the ya is empty. Okay, it does not have zabar, not even zair, not even pesh. So you just have to skip that letter because it is a silent letter. Okay, so we will just read zal to zabar zan, zal to zair zin, zal to pesh zun, za to zabar zon, za to zair zin, za to pesh zun, za to zabar zan, za to zair zin, za to pesh zun, sin to zabar san. Sin to zair sin. Sin to pesh sun. Sod to zabar swan. Sod to zair sin. Sod to pesh sun. Then you have two dots above a ha. If there are two dots above a ha, then it is a ta. Okay. Ta to zabar tan. Ta to zair tin. Ta to pesh tun. Dal to zabar dan. Dal to zair din. Dal to pesh dun. Ta to zabar twan. See, ta is a heavy letter, so it should sound heavy, okay? Ta to zabar twan. Ta to zair tin. Ta to pesh tun. Ra to zabar run. It is not run, it is run. Ra is not a heavy letter, then too it is pronounced heavily, because you will learn the rulings of Ra in the later lessons, okay? So Ra should be pronounced heavily, even though it is not a heavy letter. Ra to zabar ron, Ra to zer rin, Ra to pesh ron. Now I am reading without the hijje, okay? But you have to read till the end with the hijje. Nan, nin, nun, lan, lin, lun, don, din, dun, yan, yin, yun, shan, shin, shun, jan, jin, jun, kan, kin, kun, qan. Qaf is a heavy letter, so it should sound heavy. Qan, qin, qun, qan, qin, khun, gun, gin, gun, han, hin, hun, an, in, un, han, hin, hun. Now you have the Hamza. So Hamza sounds like Alif. So an, in, un. So how do we read this together? So see the first word, it is Ain Zabar A, Mim Zabar Ma. Ain and Mim both have single Zabar, okay? Now you can see that Lam has two Zabar. So Lam, two Zabar, Lan. Amalan. And after the Lam there is Alif. But I told you that that Alif is, you have to drop that letter, okay? That is a silent letter. The letter which does not have Zabar, Zair, Pesh, anything, you just have to drop that letter, okay? So it is Amalan. Then you have Jim Zabar Ja, Noon Zabar Na, Jana, Fa, To Zabar Fan, Jana Fan, Jana Fan. Okay, now you have to do the hijjah in the similar manner. I am doing it without the hijjah. So see the first word again. Amalan, Janafan, Salaman, Baladan, Asafan, Haraman, Aradan, Samanan, Hasanan, Tabaqan. See the ta and the qaf, both are heavy letters, so it should sound heavy, okay? Your lip should be round while pronouncing ta and qaf. So it is tabaqan, qasasan. In this qasasan, all the three letters are heavy. Qasasan, safahan, abadan, bataran, ajaban, أحدا وسطا مرضا رغدا مثلا. Okay, so this was the lesson of the Zabar and two Zabar together. Now we are going to read about Zair and two Zair. Okay, so see the first word, first example is Ba Zair Bi, Dal Zabar Da, Bi Da, Mim to Zair Min, Bi Da Min. See the next one, Ba Zair Bi, Qaf Zabar Qa, Bi Qa, Ba Zabar Ba, Bi Qa Ba, Sin to Zair Sin, Bi Qa Ba Sin. Okay, Bi Qa Ba Sin. Then you have Kadhibin, Kadhibin. Then you have Nafaqatin. How do you do the hijjah of this four-letter word? You have to join single letter, okay, not all together. So you have to say Noon Zabar Na, Fa Zabar Fa. Now join both. Na Fa. Then read the third word. Qaf Zabar Qa. Then join all the three. Nafaqa. Then Ta to Zair Tin. Nafaqatin. You have to do the hijjah this way. Okay. Nafaqatin. See the next one. Lam pesh lo, mim zabar ma, lo ma, za zabar za, lo ma za, ta to zair tin, lo ma za tin, lo ma za tin. See the next, ho ma za tin, ho ma za tin, labanin, labanin, raqabatin, raqabatin, khabarin, amadin, ainabin. See the next one, it has a alif joined with the meme, but there is a zair below the meme. So meme, zair, mi, and alif is a silent letter, you have to drop it. Okay, so you will not read that alif. So meme, zair, mi, hamza, zabar, mi, ta, tu, zair, tin, mi, tin. See the next, bi, yadin, samanin, masadin, lahabin, sakhatin, amalin, ghadabin, hasanin, fi'atin, safaratin, basharin, mathalin, qadarin, sa'atin, lighadin, shajarin, zakarin, maradin. Now let's move to the two pesh. Baqaratun, ahadun, sururun, qita'un, humurun, khushubun, amalun, ghabaratun, kutubun, zulalun, zabadun, qadamun, khuluqun. You know, many people make the mistake in dragging the harakat. The harakat should not be dragged. Okay, I have explained you this while reading the harakat, while explaining the harakat, that the zabar, pesh and zair should be read smoothly, not to be jerked, not to be prolonged. Okay, so many people do the mistake, they say khuluqun, they drag the lam. So that is the major mistake. Okay, you have to say khuluqun. Okay, you should be fast in reading the harakat, but not too fast that it sounds like a jerk. Okay, smoothly. Khuluqun, hasanatun, qataratun, zama'un, nasabun, kalimatun, malakun, maradun, basharun, qasamun, rajulun, harajun, diyatun, umamun, udhunun, la'ibun, rusulun, judadun. Assalamu alaikum.